In the previous video, we have seen about string definition, string initialization, how to access elements of the string, as well as basic operations of the string, such as concatenation, repetition, and slicing. In this video, we will try to demonstrate about all those operations. So first, let's see about how we can initialize a string. S is equal to, within the single quotation, Python. So a string is initialized with the help of is equal to operator, and we can enclose the string within single quotation. Next, if we print yes, then we are getting Python as the output. Next, another way of creating a string is within the double quotations, we can place the contents of the string. S is equal to within the double quotation Python. So this is another way of initializing a string. If we print yes, then we will get Python as the output. Here initially we given Python, whereas the second string is what? python. So that's why python. So that's why we got output as python. And the third way of initializing a string is we can use, we have multiple lines of text. In that occasion, we use either triple single quotation or triple double quotations. Let us assume that here we are using what? Triple single quotation. Here the first line of text is welcome. Second line of text is to. Third line is Python. And the last line of text is programming. And it ends with what? Triple single quotations. So now the string contains what? 4 lines of text. If we print yes, then we will get the corresponding content as the output welcome. After that we use some new line character. So that's why we got a new line as the output next to 2/n/python/n programming. So we are getting that one as the output. /n stands for what? New line character. In place of a single quotation, we can use double quotation also, triple double quotations. So if the string occupies multiple lines of text, then we can use either triple single quotation or triple double quotations. Triple double quotations. Okay. So now let us display s value. So we are getting what? Welcome /n. Why? Because after welcome just we entered some enter key. So that's why we got /n next to 2/n Python. So by using these 3 ways, we can perform initialization of a string. Now let's see how we can access the contents of a string. Let here the string is like this. S is equal to python. We have to places the string within what? Either single quotation or double quotation. So S is equal to within the double quotation Python. Here, in order to access the contents of a string, we use subscript operator. Subscript means a combination of left square bracket, right square bracket. Here the starting index is 0. So S of 0 means it will give the first character, that is P as the output. Likewise, S of 1 means it will give the second character as the output. So we are getting what? Y as the output. So likewise, S of 2 will give T, S of 3 will give H. So likewise, we can access the remaining character also. Here, negative index. In place of positive index, we can use negative index also. S of -1 means the last character. So S of -1 means we will get N as the output. S of -2 means what? The last but one character. That is, we will get O as the output. Likewise, we can use either positive index or negative index in order to access the contents of a string. Now let's see about slicing operation. Slicing means it will give a part of the string. So for that purpose, here we can use what? 3 arguments. The first argument is start index. The second argument is end index, whereas the third argument is step count. So it will give a string from starting from 0th index and continues up to n index -1. So 5 - 1 means 4. So we will get the characters from 0 to 4. The step count is 1. 1 will be added. So first to 0th character will be printed. Next to 1 character will be printed. Next to 2 character, 3 character, 4th character. Here the 5th character won't printed. End character won't printed. We will get the output only up to end -1 only. Next example, S of 0 to 5. In place of 1, I am giving 2 here. So now what will happen? 0th character. Next to 0 plus 2 means what? 2 character. 2 plus 2 means 4 character. So 0 character means P. So 2 character means T. Fourth character means O. So we are getting that as the output. Now let's see another example. S of 0 S of let us give only starting index. Here only starting index is specified. So it will display the output from second character to end character. Here the step count is not specified. So default step count is 1 here. If you don't specify end index, then up to the last one, it will print the output. Okay. So why we are getting the output error here? Why? Because we have given 3 colons, but we have to give only 2 colons. So we are getting what? THON as the output. Next one, S of colon 4 colon. So here only end index is specified. So if start index is not specified, then by default it starts from 0th index onwards and displays up to what? 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 0 to 3 is nothing but what? P by TH. So we will get that as the output. Okay. In place of positive index, we can use negative index also. So S of minus 4. So what will happen now? It will start displaying from minus 4 index onwards. Here what is minus 4? In Python, n means minus 1. So O means minus 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So T means minus 4. So from minus 4 onwards, the entire string will get printed. Why? Because if n index is not specified, then what will happen? It will continue up to the last character. So from T to the remaining all characters will get printed. Let's see one more example. Here we didn't use a starting symbol, end symbol, whereas we use a step count as minus 1. Then what will happen is it will print the reverse of the given string. It will print the reverse of the string. Now let's see about concatenation operation. Let the first string is Ram. Let the second string is Babu. Store the resultant string in S3. S3 is equal to S1 plus S2. Concatenation is done with the help of plus operator. So plus operator concatenates those two strings. So first we will let us print the output here, S3. So first Ram will be printed. Next to Babu will be appended to Ram. So S3 means Ram Babu. Now let's see the last basic operation, that is star operation. Here star is useful for performing the repetition purpose. So print of S1 star 3. So now S1 will be repeated what? 3 times. So what is the content of S1? Ram. So Ram will get printed 3 times now. So Ram, Ram, Ram. So likewise we will get the output. Here we have an operation called in also. So by using in we can check whether the content is present in the string or not. Let here the string is R in S1. So R is present in S1 or not? Yes. So in and not in are called as membership operators. So these two are also basic operators. So here R is present in S1. So we will get output as true. Here in place of R I use just not in. But here R is present in S1. Okay. So it returns false as the output. Okay. So likewise we can perform all these operations on the string. In the next video, we will discuss about various built-in methods or functions which we can perform on the string.